Hey everybody, this is another video. I'm putting out bracelets. These bracelets right here, they got spikes in them, and they $12 because they like heavy. So they on sale right now, y'all. So these bracelets they $6 each. I gotta change the price. They $6. Trying to hurry up, cause the more stuff I put out, the more people keep coming up, asking, do I have anything else? Because they go on my YouTube page and see my videos, or on my Facebook and see different stuff and see through I still have any more. We're about to pack up in a little while, y'all. It's hot out here, and it's just a mess out here today, y'all. This right here, my jewelry chest. It's a whole lot of jewelry, y'all. I'm trying to take more videos I possibly can if I can post them on YouTube.